Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Anyways, I want to show you guys something neat I actually just came up with. I'm working on a project right now, and I'm doing an exhaust system. So, I have been using a candle for doing bending exhaust systems and so forth, but I found something out really cool. This is going to blow your mind. Anyways, I thought I'd use my soldering iron, prop it up. I mean, probably prop it up a little better than that, but I mean, this is heat. So, I mean, for bending exhaust pipe up, see if I should use this kind of exhaust, this kind of tubing. I forget what size it is, but it's kind of small. Good for making exhaust pipe up. I mean, you probably use solid stock styrene if you wanted to. But the nice thing of it is, you bend it up to exhaust pipe the way you want it. See? So, I like to show you. I mean, this is a good piece of stuff here, but I'm going to show you guys how this works. Really slick, and this hot iron just heats up like crazy. Be careful you don't burn your hands. Just like that. Easy peasy. So, if you want to make a custom exhaust up for your model, your soldering iron and your styrene stuff. Bend up curves, anything you want. I mean, I did this one up here, so it's pretty slick. Just be careful you don't burn your fingers, because it's hot. This one here heats up like crazy. So, anyways, I'll post up a little tip. I'll be doing a little update on this truck I'm working on. It's a 95 Chevy pickup. Alright, see you next one. Thanks for watching. It's a tip. Use your soldering iron, if you have one, for bending, making exhaust or bumpers or whatever you're making for your model. Works real good. See ya.